طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. we did the chain rule and we link it with the power rule. So you have function to the power n. The derivative will be n. The function to the power n minus 1 times the derivative of the function. Now, if we link it with the transcendental functions, like trig functions and the exponential. So if you have sine of a function, what will be the derivative? Cosine of the function times the derivative of the function. If I have cosine of the function, I have minus sine of the function times u prime. And the same thing with tan u, it will be secant square u prime. Secant u, what's derivative? Secant u, tan u times the derivative of u. E to the power u, it means the derivative will be e to the power u times u prime, and the same thing for cotan u and cosecant u. Let me apply it for these functions. Now, y equals sine of u. This is u. So according to this rule, what will be the derivative? It will be cosine of u times derivative of u, which is 2. So the answer is 2 cosine 2x. What about this one? Now, y prime, I have cosine of u. That will be minus sine of u, derivative of this, which is 1. So that we have no effect. Now, this is e to the power u. This is u. So what will be the derivative? E to the power u, derivative of u, which is 3. So that will be 3 e to the power 3x. Okay. Let me do more problems. Be careful here. First one, I have y is cosine 3x squared. So this is my u. So it will be y prime. Y prime will be minus sine of u times derivative of u, which is 6x. So that will be minus, that will be minus 6x sine 3x squared. Now the second one, y equal cosine 3, be careful, cosine 3 just a number, times x squared. So you have a number times x squared. So it will be y prime, this is the number, times derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So that will be 2 cosine 3 times x. C. Y equal cosine of 3x square as a power of 3x. So that will be cosine 9x squared. So it will be the derivative. It will be minus sine 9x squared, derivative of this, which is 18x. So that will be minus 18x sine 9x squared. D. Y equal cosine x all square. Be careful here. I have function square. So it will be 2 the function times derivative of the function, which is minus sine x. So that will be minus 2 sine x cosine x. In other words, I can write it minus sine 2x. Okay. E. Y equal cosine x to the power half. What will be the derivative? Y prime would be half cosine x to the power minus half times derivative of this, which is minus sine x. So the answer is minus sine x over 2 square root cosine x. Okay, now let me do this. Let me call it f. So f, I have f of t, the function, Then now I did not do any derivative. It's what? Sine 4t all to the power 3. So I have function to the power 3. So it will be f prime 3 the function. Yeah, let me write it here because I need more space. Huh? That means f prime at t will be 3, the function square derivative of this. Still, this is function of function. So I'll do the chain rule again. So it will be sine of u. That means cosine of u times derivative of u, which is 4. So the answer is 12 cosine of t sine 40 squared. More problems. 1. Y equal tan 4x. Tan of u. So y prime will be secant square of u, derivative of u. So it will be 4 secant square of 4x. 2. Y equal tan of sine x. So this is my u. So y prime will be tan of sine x, tan at sine x, times derivative of u, which is cosine x. That will be the answer. 3. Y equal cube root 1 plus tan x. In other words, this is 1 plus tan x to the power 1 over 3. So it will be y prime. Y prime will be 1 over 3. 1 plus tan x to the power minus 2 over 3 times derivative of this, which is secant square x. Differentiate this e to the power sine x. So I have e to the power u. So y prime will be e to the power u times derivative of u, which is sine x. I know that. E to the power u. Derivative e to the power u times u prime. Okay. Now let me go to the old exams questions. Okay. Let me do this. 1 over 9, 3x plus 1 cube. I want what? H double prime. So I need to find h prime. That will be what? 1 over 3, 3x plus 1 square times derivative of this, which is 3. So that will be 3x plus 1 square. Okay. Now second derivative will be what? 2, 3x plus 1 to the power 1 times derivative of this, which is 3. Now I need to find, this is what? 6, 3x plus 1. We need to find h double prime at 1. That will be 6 times 4, which is 24. That will be the answer. Okay. Now we need to find g prime. This is function over function. So g of x, I can make it product, actually. X square, 1 minus x square to the power minus half. That will make it easier. So g prime of x, derivative of the first, 2x, times the second, plus x square, derivative of this, which is minus half. Yeah, let me give it more space. G prime of x, it will be 2x times this, plus x square, derivative of this, which is minus half, 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 over 2, derivative of this, which is minus 2x. Okay. Did I get it before? X square over the I not do before. Okay, no problem. Let me continue. So g prime of x, let me rewrite it, is what? 2x 1 minus x squared to the power minus half. Here 2 cancelled with 2, well, minus with minus. So I have plus x cubed. Is it minus or plus? Minus half. Minus half. Okay. Plus x cubed times 1 minus x squared to the power minus 3 over 2. Okay. Now take common factor. This will be equal. What? I take x. Here I have x and x cubed. I take the x. I took 1 minus x squared to the power minus 3 over 2. What is the remaining? Here I have 2, and I have 1 minus x squared. Yeah, because I will divide this by this, x cancelled, and this will be to the power 1, plus x squared. So it will be x over 1 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2. Here I have what? 2 minus x squared plus x squared minus x squared. In other words, it will be 2x minus x cubed over 1 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2. Watch this. Yeah, calculation. Len of this. Yeah. Actually, we need it later. Huh? Later. I'll move it later. Yeah, because the len. Okay. What will be g prime of x? That will be minus 2. This one. No. G prime at x will be minus 2. This one to the power minus 3. Derivative of this. 6x 2x plus 3 minus 3x squared minus 2. Derivative of this, which is 2 over 2x plus 3 squared. Now, g prime at 0. Since it's at 0, I think it's good to do the substitution right away. So that will be minus 2. This is minus 2 over 3 to the power minus 3. This is 0 minus 2, 0 plus 3. Times. Here I have 0. Here I have what? Minus 2 times 2. That will be 4 over 9. So that is minus 2. Reciprocal of this, 27 over minus 8 times 4 over 9. This is 1, this is 3. Minus 8 over minus 8, so the answer is 3, which is this one. Let of x equal this. Find the slope with the tangent line to this curve at x equal pi over 6. So I need to find the derivative at pi over 6. Okay. Let us do the calculation. F prime at x. Derivative of the numerator. That will be minus 3. Let me say 3. F prime at x. That will be 3. Derivative of cosecant minus cosecant 3x cotan 3x. Derivative of u, which is 3. All of this times the, wow. I need a big space or I can't write it slowly. F prime of x. That will be 3. Here I have minus cosecant 3x cotan 3x times the 3 times the denominator minus 3 cosecant 3x times the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. That will be minus 2 cosecant square 3x times derivative of this times 3 over 1 plus 2 cotan 3x all square. Okay. Now be careful. Yeah. I need cosecant 3x and cotan 3x. Okay. So if x equal pi over 6, then 3x equal pi over 2. So cotan pi over 2, cotan 3x. So cotan 3x, which is cotan pi over 2, that will be what? Cotan pi over 2. It will be cosine pi over 2, which is 0, over sine pi over 2. So that will be 0. And cosecant pi over 3, cosecant 3x, which is cosecant pi over 2, that will be 1 over sine pi over 2, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. So now I'll do the f prime at pi over 3. That will be 3. This is 0. This is 0. 0. Here I have what? Minus, that will be 3 times 2 times 3. This is plus 18. Cosecant, that will be 1. Over 1 plus 0 square. And the answer is 18. Yeah, do the calculation. Y equals square root 1 plus cotan square x. Find y prime at pi over 4. So y is 1 plus cotan square to the power half. What will be y prime? Half 1 plus cotan square to the power minus half, derivative of this. I have something square, so that 2 cotan x, derivative of cotan, which is minus cosecant square. Now, I need to find this at pi over 4. I know that cotan pi over 4, this is 1. Cosecant pi over 4, this is square root of 2. Okay, plug the numbers. That will be half. That will be half. 1 plus 1 to the power minus half times 2 cotan pi over 4, that is 1. And this is times minus square root of 2 square. Okay. This is cancelled. So I have what? Minus 2. This is 2 to the power minus half, which is 1 over square root of 2. Rationalize to get what? Minus 2 root 2 over 2. And that will be minus root 2. That will be minus root 2. Okay. Let me do more. Sine x over 1 plus cosine x to the power 3. Yeah. This is f prime at x will be 3 sine x over 1 plus cosine x all to the power 2. Derivative of this. Derivative of the numerator cosine x. This is minus sine x. Derivative of 1 plus cosine or minus sine x. Had 1 plus cosine x all square. That will be 3 sine x or 1 plus cosine x square times what I have here. Cosine x plus cosine square x plus sine square x over 1 plus cosine x all square. I need it at pi over 4. I know sine pi over 2. Pi over 2 is 1. Cosine pi over 2 is 0. So this is 3. 1 over 1 plus 0 square. Here I have 0 plus 1 over 1. So the answer is 3. Which is this? 1 plus tan x over secant x. Yeah, I need to notice one thing. 1 plus tan x over secant x. If I simplify it, that is 1 plus sine x over cosine x over 1 over cosine x. Okay. And that give me what? Cosine x plus sine x over cosine x times the reciprocal of this, which is cosine x. So this is cosine x plus sine x. That means y actually is cosine x plus sine x all to the power 3. This is y. So it will be y prime. Y prime will be 3 cosine x plus sine x squared. Derivative of this, which is minus sine x plus cosine x. Now what is this? Cosine x plus sine x squared. That will be cosine squared plus 2 sine cosine plus sine square x. This is 1 and this is sine 2x. So this is 3, 1 plus sine 2x times cosine x minus sine x, which is this one. 1 plus tan x over secant x. I think we did it before. 1 over tan plus secant, that is cosine plus sine. That is cosine plus sine. So this f of x is cosine x plus sine x all square, which is cosine square plus 2 sine cosine plus sine square. Now f, I did not do the calculation. I did not do the derivative. So that will be 1 plus sine 2x. That will be f of x. I need what? Second derivative, third derivative. First derivative, it will be 2 cosine 2x. Second derivative, it's minus 2, minus 4, sorry, minus 4 sine 2x. Third derivative, minus 8 cosine 2x. Now, what will be the second derivative at 0? Sine 0 is 0, that will be 0. What will be the third derivative at 0? That will be minus 8, since cosine 0 is 1. So this is 0 minus 8, so the answer is minus 8. This one, how to find the derivative. Yeah. F of x is x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 4 to the power half. What will be f prime? That will be half. This one to the power minus half times. Now I have product rule. Derivative of this one times the denominator minus 2x times the numerator all over the denominator square. Now we need to find f prime at 1. That will be half. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 over 5 under to the power minus half. This is times what? Yeah, I can simplify it or I can do the product. This is at 1. That will be 10 minus 1 plus 1 is 2 times 2 minus 4 over 25. Okay, so that will be half times. This is what? Square root of 5 over square root of 2. my right? Yeah, a spherical of that. 5 over square root of 2 times 6 over 25. So this is 3, this is gone. Okay. Now multiply by square root of 5 over square root of 5. That gives me what? 5 over 25 square root of. Don't forget the 3 times 3. And that gives me 3 over 5 square root of 10, which is this. Yeah. This one. Y is e to the power x minus 1 over x squared plus 3 all to the power half. So it will be y prime. It will be half. This to the power minus half times derivative of this. What's the derivative of this? Derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus 2x ax minus 1 over this square. Substitute y prime at 1. That will be half. E to the power 0, that will be 1 over 4 to the power minus half, which is 2. This one, e to the power 0, 1, 1 plus 1, that will be 4, minus 2, 1 plus 4, 16. So that will be half. The spherical of 4, the square root, that will be 2. That will be 2 over 16. Cancelled. So I have 1 over 8. Yeah, and that will be the answer. Yeah, let me stop here. And then I will continue. Keep. Thank you.